Hello. Welcome to Sean Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a small candy shop business online from home. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your candy shop business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. If you enjoy sweets or have a knack for making them, a candy store may be a perfect business enterprise for you. Opening your own shop can be fulfilling, but it can also be difficult due to the industry's high level of competition. If you have a unique store idea that fills an unmet need in your area, this business venture could be a success. Candy stores sell a wide range of delectable sweets, and some may specialize in specific types of candies. Bulk candy stores are ideal for families with children or customers looking to stock up for a large party. Penny candy shops have a large variety of different types of candy. Some shops specialize in gourmet candies, while others may even make their own. These stores provide convenience to customers and may attract shoppers looking for gift ideas or preparing for the holidays. Some stores also accept online orders and ship their goods. It is common for candy stores to branch out into other areas, such as selling small gifts, other snacks, and ice cream. The candy sales industry is being driven by many trends. According to research, chocolate sweets dominate candy sales, therefore, non-chocolate candy organizations are switching their focus to drive sales. These companies are progressively creating products that are more fun and flavorful in order to pique consumers' interest and incentivize them to purchase these sweets. Although candy is not the healthiest food, candy manufacturers are working to meet the increasing demands for health and wellness products. GMOs, high-fructose corn syrup, and artificial additives have all been phased out by manufacturers. Instead, manufacturers are substituting natural and organic ingredients and adding more nourishing foods such as fruits, nuts, and seeds. Because dark chocolate is known to have health benefits, we will most likely see an increase in dark chocolate products. Consumers are becoming more aware of the significance of using their purchasing resources to help the environment, and the candy industry will feel the consequences. Manufacturers and retailers must prioritize sustainability in order to continue to appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Many businesses have already begun to implement these changes. Mars has pledged to invest $1 billion in environmentally friendly practices such as solar energy and renewable food sourcing. Hershey has created the Cocoa for Good program, which aids in the development of sustainable cocoa production practices. Mondelez also has a Cocoa Life sustainability program. Candy shops can also adopt this trend by using recyclable bags, putting in place energy-saving processes within the store, and emphasizing the environmentally responsible actions of the manufacturers whose products the store sells. Candy shops cater to a wide range of customers. Some businesses create a family-friendly brand that caters to both children and adults. Other shops may specialize in gourmet candies and cater primarily to adults. Certain skills will be required to increase the likelihood of your business's success. 1. Understanding of current candy trends. You must be familiar with the most popular and best-selling types of candies. Predicting upcoming trends, especially around holidays, can also ensure that a store is packed with the candies that customers will be looking for. 2. Design abilities. A store owner with an eye for aesthetics and design will be able to create appealing and eye-catching displays. 3. Customer service abilities. A store owner with excellent customer service skills and a strong working relationship with both children and adults can help create positive customer experiences that inspire consumers to return. 4. Candy making abilities. Some stores manufacture the candy they sell. If a store owner chooses this model, prior candy making experience is required. 5. Creativity. Creativity is useful in this industry, from creating fresh and amazing candies to coming up with the perfect arrangements. It is possible to start a small candy store and gradually expand it as it becomes profitable. Small stores cost $10,000 to $40,000 to open, while larger stores can cost up to $60,000 to open. To avoid overhead costs, you can also sell candy from home by setting up an online store. The following are typical startup costs for a candy store. Equipment for making candy. Shopping bags, candy scoops, and ingredients are examples of inventory supplies. Displays and shelving. Message boards. Working capital to cover the first 3 to 6 months worth of utilities, payroll, rent, and so on. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a small candy shop business from home. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Sean Academy, an extension for education.